channel. As you can see over there, the Calmac ferry is just coming into Loch Broom, into Ullapool. We're actually in Ullapool, so we are actually getting the ferry from Ullapool over to Stornoway on Lewis, catching the Calmac ferry, which is just coming in now. We've just watched it go past this lighthouse, which has been really cool. So yeah, it's about a 3-hour crossing, and we'll show you what it's like to go on board the Calmac ferry.
And we're just going to run back up to the van because we're probably going to miss it in a minute because we've got about half an hour to board the ferry.
Yeah,
so
we've got
to run all the way back up there.
Yeah.
Or we won't be doing a video about this ferry.
This ferry. We can see it in the distance. I'm not too sure how long it's going to take us to get back either. We're trying. This feels just like the North Link ferries that go over to Shetland. Hopefully we see some of them on this ferry. MV Loch Seaforth. That's what we're on.
I've never actually done this crossing before. We've gone from Uig on Skye across to Tarbert on Harris, but we've never done this Ullapool to Stornoway one, which is a bit longer. I think it's maybe around 3 hours, maybe a little bit less.
3 hours. Yeah, we've never done that before, and we've been wanting to do it for ages, and you can actually do it with the timings of the two ferries. You can do it as a foot passenger in the day, which a lot of people do when they actually try and do whale watching. It's a lot cheaper than coming on with the van.
Yeah, it reminds us of the North Link ferry. It's quite a big one. There's a lot of different decks that you can go on, and some other of the Calmac ones are a bit smaller, so yeah, this is pretty impressive so far.
Really cool. that's where I'm assuming you'd go if you were getting on as a foot passenger over the little bridge. So we'll take you for a walk around the ship, show you what it's like, and find out for the first time ourselves what it's got to offer.
This is such a nice ferry. We've just been to the front and it's got like windows everywhere, so it's incredible viewing if you're looking out for whales and dolphins.
Yeah, especially if the weather's horrible outside and you don't want to be on the deck. Like, you've got so many windows everywhere, so many decks. The chairs look so comfy. I mean, it's by far the best ferry that we've ever been on. I mean, obviously we haven't done the crossing yet, so we can't really say, but in terms of how it looks, it's just amazing. It's got like a little cafe and like a restaurant.
Lots of toilets everywhere as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this Caledonian MacBrayne vessel. Please listen very carefully to the following safety announcement. In the unlikely event of an emergency, you will be informed by means of an emergency signal consisting of 7 or more short blasts, followed by one prolonged blast on the ship's whistle, alarm bell, or public address system. The vessel is also equipped with sufficient life jackets, with donning instructions provided for all on board.
underneath the ship. That was so cool. Whoa! Oh yeah? Past the summer aisles at the moment, as you can see behind. In the summer months you can get some large whales quite regularly seen off here, including like humpbacks and fin whales, so yeah, keeping an eye out and see what we find, although it is February, so.
Yeah, it is a good crossing to do across like June, July. You get the big whales a lot further out, like fin whales, obviously orca that we're always looking for, humpbacks. I think even sperm whales have been seen in the Minch as well, so you never know what you might see. It is February at the moment, so probably not going to see any of the larger whales, but yeah, it was really cool just seeing them dolphins. There's quite a few of them as well.
Yeah, right under the ship. It was amazing. arrived in Stornoway on Lewis, so we're going to head off.
We arrived in Stornoway and we're now in Lewis. We've made our way up to Dolphin Head to see if anything's here.
Yeah.
Any whales or dolphins. It's very windy, so
Very windy. Thankfully we had a really smooth crossing though. It was no problems at all. So yeah, we were quite thankful of that.
hopefully that video is some use if you're thinking about coming to the Outer Hebrides, Lewis or Harris,
Yeah.
or if you just want to see what it's like. But yeah, we were really impressed with the ferry. It was amazing. It's a good crossing.
It really was.
Definitely do it again.
Yeah, we definitely will be. Thank you so much for watching this video and we'll see you next time.
I bet.
Bye!